Financial well-being touches every part of our lives, whether it's buying a home, saving for education, planning for retirement, or managing day-to-day expenses. Financial organizations are there to support life's most important moments. Behind these organizations are teams responsible for building and managing the systems that make it all possible. For these teams to succeed, they must be aligned, agile, and focused on a shared vision. CDW helps financial services teams design and operate these systems through our SmartLab for financial services. Productivity happens when technology and business teams come together with a shared purpose. When operational teams understand the why behind the systems and how every process, decision, and key technologies are interconnected. And when they participate in what many financial organizations have called the aha moment that reshaped how they deliver services. This one-day, hands-on experience sparks new ideas, helps teams work better together, and gets leaders on the same page. Secure banking, streamline insurance processing, and make payment systems more efficient. Reach out to us today to schedule a SmartLab for your financial organization.